to be a better way to shovel all this snow. Goofy thinks he knows how to clear snow. Pete confidently shows off his state-of-the-art equipment. You're going to fight me with what? And so, the snow clearing contest begins. Watch this, Goofy! Watch this, Goofy! Slow and steady. Yuck! It's obvious Pete's in the lead. Someone turn that machine off. Are you okay, Pete? Pete is determined not to lose to Goofy. Goofy has a smarter way. Just divide it up and it'll be quick. Goofy's method is surprisingly effective. Stop! The advanced equipment seems a little difficult to control. No way! Pete can't lose, but the machine won't listen. Oh no, not that side. Let me help, Pete. Even with all the modern machinery, Pete still loses to Goofy's creativity. Well, you cleaned up nicely, Goofy. One beautiful snowy morning, Goofy and Max decided to build a special snowman.
Papa, I'll make the head.
Okay, Maxie. Papa make a really big body. But as usual, trouble begins. Papa! Papa, watch out! Huh, Max. It's running on its own.
Chase it, Papa!
Yeah, Papa, I almost got it. Papa! Papa! Watch out! Papa will! Ain't that dog can stop it! It's not good, not good, not bad, good, but Max! And Max has an idea. Oh, my! It's spinning!
Are you okay, Papa?
Papa, okay. Just a little spinning, yuck.
Papa, this time, no wheels.
Probably. And finally, they created the perfect snowman. Merry Christmas, Maxie.
Ah! Merry Christmas, Papa!
One snowy morning, Max and Goofy decided to create something special.
Papa! Papa! Let's make a snowboard!
That's a great idea, Maxie. And so the two of them started their own snowboard project.
Papa, we have to make it cool.
Ouch! Yuck! Even though it's a little clumsy, the excitement is always there. Done.
Looks professional, Maxie.
Ha ha ha! And now, time to test. Time to test. Let's go, Joe. Wow. That was fast. Now it's Papa's turn. Now Basila's Papa's turn. The snow race is officially on. Gars. It's too fast.
Papa, watch your left.
Oof. Cold.
Is Papa okay?
A good race involves a few falls. Let's keep going, Maxie! Yeah! Max is starting to take the lead.
Papa,
Almost win!
ooh. Papa,
Tied! Racing is more fun with you, Maxie! This is the best Christmas ever. Christmas Eve falls, bringing with it small wishes.
I wish I had a Christmas present too.
Goofy heard that wish and got a great idea. Maxie, let's decorate the tree.
Mercury can!
Yeah! And Kippa, I'll hang the lights, Papa. Oh my! Yuk!
we've made a really beautiful Christmas tree together.
It's so beautiful, Papa!
Now go to bed so Santa can visit, Maxie.
I hope Santa will remember me.
Max falls asleep with sweet hope. time for Papa to do his magic. A secret plan is about to begin. Shh, gently, Goofy. But making Goofy walk softly is a bit difficult. Perfect. Maxie will be so happy.
Santa Claus.
The secret plan is complete.
Papa! There's a present! There's a present!
Thank you, Papa. Santa Claus!
Oh, Merry Christmas, Maxie.
This Christmas morning, it snowed less than usual. Max wishes for a real white Christmas.
Just a little snow would be nice.
Yuck! Maxie, let Papa handle this.
And so, a strange idea is set in motion.
Papa, what does this have to do with snow?
Mini snow machine. Mini snow machine. Just needs a little tweaking.
Let it run, Papa. Yucky, Missy!
See? It's working!
It looked fine at first. It seemed fine. Papa, that's a bit much.
It won't stop!
A small thing. Thing.
Papa! We have to turn it off!
Goofy tries to get close, but it's not easy.
It's running, Maxie!
The two of them begin a chase in the fake snow.
Yuck! It's cold!
Papa! I have an idea!
Max comes up with a quick plan. We pull it down.
One chance!
One chance. We got it! We got it! Finally, the mini blizzard is over.
Papa! Where is our house?
Well, it looks pretty cozy, Yuck.
The best Christmas ever!
Merry Christmas, Maxie. One beautiful snowy morning, Goofy decides to teach Max something new.
Papa, what are we doing today?
Today, we're going to make snow animals.
Snow animals? So cool, Papa!
Goofy starts with the most basic steps.
Oh.
Yuck!
Yuck! You did good!
Wow! Oh, there's a bunny!
Max's pet is a little too creative. This is a cat with super long ears.
Soon, the first animals appeared.
It's so heavy.
Look, Maxie.
Papa is so good.
Narrator, Goofy is a master of snowmaking.
Hey! It really looks like Pluto!
The tail should curve up like this. Oh!
And suddenly, a snow zoo is forming.
They're so pretty, Papa!
Oh my!
Here, I'll do it for you, Papa.
Papa!
You two have great chemistry.
Whew!
Ha ha! What a funny elephant! A zoo made entirely of snow. What a magical sight!
I like them all, Papa.
Goofy wants to capture this wonderful moment.
Papa!
Take a picture.
I'll remember this day forever.
Papa, too.